Everyone's a critic, aren't they? But not everyone has critical thinking skills. Believe me, if you're launching your own business, or if you have your eyes on promotion, you need to develop your critical thinking skills. Put simply, you need to be able to analyse information, evaluate its sources, decide which details are useful and which aren't, and make reasonable conclusions. If that all sounds a bit daunting, don't worry, as today's Ask Shaf is here to help you out. You might not realise it, but lots of industries and jobs require critical thinking. Imagine an A&E triage nurse having to figure out which casualties need to be seen first, a prosecutor going through all the evidence before taking their case against the accused to court, a joiner measuring up and deciding which tools and materials would be best for the job, an entrepreneur using social media to promote her fledgling brand. You see, all these roles are very different. Each person needed to use their critical thinking skills to get a plan in place and get started. Critical thinking covers a broad range of competencies that all add up to make a super skill set. You must be able to analyse the info in front of you, whether that's data, text, research or evidence, and understand what it means and explain it to others. Do you question the evidence? Do you have a healthy scepticism of it? Don't blindly believe everything that's put in front of you. To think critically, you need to be open-minded, evaluate the information objectively without bias, and don't presume you already know what the outcome will be. If you do that, you're automatically abandoning any attempt at being objective. If you're open-minded, this will lead on to another important critical thinking skill, problem solving. For many employers, and indeed for all entrepreneurs, being able to problem solve is vital. There's no point in recognising a problem if you can't offer any solutions to it. For this, you need to pay close attention to the detail, think outside the box when it comes to finding ways to solve the problem, innovate and try to stop the situation happening again. Critical thinking isn't all logic and analysis though. One key part is creativity. That can come through designing a solution that no one has thought of before. You might work on a solution from its conception to its implementation, and along the way have to be flexible and change your vision slightly. And of course, you need to communicate all this with other members of your team, whether that's colleagues, employees or clients. Presentations, active listening and teamwork could be the key here. No wonder critical thinking skills are in such high demand. Someone who can make the link between ideas, determine and evaluate their importance and construct arguments based on that, approach problems in a consistent way and offer innovative solutions to these problems is a must-have person in any business. How does your skill set compare? Are there areas you need to work on? Luckily, you're in the right place. Check out my free YouTube channel. It's bursting with videos focusing on how to develop these skills. It's all there, so have a look, and in no time at all, you'll be feeling far more confident in your critical thinking skills.